Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am today ready to take your maths subject. So children, open your maths canopy, page number 84. So students, as we know, we have completed up to now lesson number 5. So today we are going to start lesson number 6. Okay, lesson number 6, that is time. Okay, lesson number 6, that is time. So children, okay, time, do you know what is time? Yes, you will go to school, okay, you will come to school, then you will have your breakfast, dinner, huh? How you will have your breakfast, dinner, lunch, okay, then when you will have these all things? Some time is given, okay. Now lunch or dinner, breakfast. Breakfast when you will do? Early in the morning, okay. In the morning only you will do breakfast. Why? Because that is the actual time to do breakfast, okay. You can't do breakfast in afternoon or you can't do it in night. So it is the actual time when you are going to do your breakfast. You are going to do your daily works. You can't do any work at any time. Okay, one time is fixed. Okay, in that we can say time means where. In Marathi you can say where also. So when you will come to school, what you will do? You will come to school early in the morning. Okay, your school will be at 8 o'clock. Your school will be not there at night or afternoon. Some schools may be afternoon also, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, but night there will be no school, okay. So the time is fixed. Now you can see here, at your home also, there is a time. Now see here, this is called a clock. Now when you want to see the time, then where you will see? Now you want to go for school. Then you will see what is the time. Where you will look? To the clock. Okay, this is a clock. See here. You can see here. This is what? This is clock. Ghadial. In Marathi, what you will call? Ghadial you will call, no? So, this is a clock. The long hand points 12. In this clock, each and everyone's home there is clock, isn't it? Whatever you want to do your daily work, your things, what you will do? You will use clock. Kiti wajle? How much the time is? In this way you'll say no. Now I want to go for tuition, I want to go for school, or I want to go for playing with your friends, like that. Now this is clock. Now see here, in this clock there are numbers, okay? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are numbers. You can see these two hands, these two, what do we call them? Hand. Okay, these are the hand of the clock. Then you can see here this long hand. Okay, the long hand, it is pointing to 12. And this is the short hand. Okay, this short hand, it points to 2. The time is 2 o'clock. Now see children, in the clock, there will be two hands. One is short hand, one is long hand. When the short hand is on any number, 2, 3, 4 maybe, and when the long hand is only on 12 number. Short may be anywhere here, but long may be on the 12 number. That time, if it is on, short is on 3. Short hand is on 3, and if the long it is on 12, it will call as 3 o'clock. Now here it is pointing 2, and here it is 12. So it is 2 o'clock. Understood? So in this way, you can see what is the time. Now clocks tell time. The short hand tells the hour, the long hand tells the minute. Look at this clock. Now see here, when the long hand points to 12, the short hand will point exactly to one of the numbers on the clock. Now see here. Clock, what it tells? It tells the time. The shorthand, what it tells? The hour. This shorthand, how much hour it is? 2 hours. Okay, 2 o'clock. The long hand tells the minutes. Look at this clock. Here you can see here the short hand and the long hand. The long hand points to 12. The short hand points to 2. The time is 2 o'clock. Okay. Now see here, next page. Here we can see exercise. Now see here. Rais and Harjit are talking about what they do during the day. Okay. Now you want to tell here, fill in the time at which Rais does these things. Okay. Now we want to write the time. They are talking about what they do during the day. Okay. I get up at, now you can see here, this is long hand. Where it is long hand, children? Yes, it is near the 12 number. And short hand? Yes, it is near the 7. So, when the short is on any number and when the long is only on 12, we call it as 7. Now, it is here on, short hand is on 7 number and long is on 12. So, it is a, I get up at 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 o'clock it is. Can write here like this. 7 o'clock. Then I go to school at, here what it is time? Correct, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. You can see here, short hand is where it is pointing to 9 and long hand is where it is pointing to 12. I come back from school at 4 o'clock. You can see here 4 o'clock. I sleep at 9 o'clock. So, write down, children. You are also going to write with the pencil. See here, first, I get up at 7 o'clock. Why we are writing here 7? Because we can see in the time. This is the watch. We call it as watch, where we will see the time. Now, what is the time? Okay, we will see in the watch. Now, I am not understanding what is the time I will see in the watch. I am having the watch. So, I will see now, it is 1 and 5. Okay. What is the time? 1 and 5. So, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Now, here you can see I get up at 7 o'clock. Then, I go to school at 9 o'clock. You can see here 9. Then, I come back from school at 4 o'clock. Then, I sleep at 9 o'clock. Okay. Then draw the hands of the clock to show the time at which Harjit does these things. Now you want to see, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay. He is having the breakfast at 8 o'clock. Then what you will do? So, here you will draw a short hand and here big hand. 8 o'clock. Okay. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock. You are going to show in this way. Draw it with me, children. Then I go to play at 5 o'clock. So where I will draw the small hand and big? Yes. Small will be on 5. And this will be on 12. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. So draw this. Draw it fast. I gave first question. First A1 question is, I get up at 7 o'clock. See here, I get up at 7 o'clock. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I come back from school at 4 o'clock and I sleep at 9 o'clock. Then draw the hands of the clock to show the time at which Harjit does these things. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. First they have given time, we want to write the time. Now they had given time, we want to draw the hands on this clock. So 8 o'clock, this is 8 o'clock. Then I have lunch at 1 o'clock. So this is 1 o'clock. Then I go to school at 5 o'clock. So this is 5 o'clock. Then I have dinner at 8 o'clock. You can see it is 8 o'clock. Draw it first. Okay, finish. Now see here down, question 2. There are dash days in a week. So children, how many days are there in a week? Do you know? Yes? Correct. There are 7 days in a week. Can you tell which days are those? Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? These are the 7 days. So you will write, there are 7 days in a week. Then there are how many months in a year? Yes, think and tell fast. How many months? Correct, 12 months. Okay, can you name them? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the years in a, these are the months in a year. How many months are there then? 12 months. Sorry. How many months in a year? 12 months. Then next, here you can write 7 and here 12. Then dash comes after Friday. What comes after Friday? After Friday? Saturday, correct. Saturday comes after Friday. Okay? Saturday when it is coming? Then dash comes after September. After September, what will come? September? Yes, think after September. What will come? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. After September, October. So October comes after September. Okay, Saturday comes after Friday. After Friday, Saturday. Then October comes after September. Okay, now turn the page. Now you can see here down. Oh, see here. Rais is getting ready for school. In our hand is between 7 and 8. The minute half is at 6. It is half hour after 7 o'clock. We say that it is half past 7 or even 7:30. So we write 7:30 as 7:30. Now you can see here. See here. First we saw only of hours. 12, 7 hours, 6 hours. Now we are going to see half an hour. How to write the half an hour? Now see here. You can see here. It is, this small hand is between 8 and 7. 8 and 7, these are numbers. Between these two numbers, this small hand is there and this big hand is near 6. So, it is 7:30. Okay, means 7 hours and half, 7 hours and half minute. Means we call it as 7:30. So, turn the page. Now you can see, draw the hands of the clock to show the time. Now here it is 6:30. You want to draw here 6:30. First is this, exercise 2. Now see here. Write the time on the clock in two different ways as shown. Okay. First is shown here, 5:30. That is 5:30. Okay. Now this is what? 5:30 means it is 5:30. Here it is now 8:30. 8:30, that is 8:30. You can see it is 8:30. Then 11:30. It is 11:30. Then here 2:30. That is 2:30. So children, you can see here, this is what? 5:30 means small is on 5 and big is on 6. That is 5:30 means 5:30. Then here you can see it is 8:30. You can see here it is between 8 and 9. Small hand and big hand is near 6. So 8:30. That is 8:30. Okay. Then here 11:30. Okay. That is 11:30. Then 2:30. That is 2:30. Then here draw the hands of the clock to show the time. Now you want to draw the hands of the clock. Now see here. How you'll draw 6:30? Now here you'll draw for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now you want to show 6:30. How you will show 6:30? Yes. Here only you will show both the clocks. Short hand and long hand. Okay? 6 is here also and 30 is also here. Here only you will show 6:30. Then 4:30. Now here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now how you will show here? 4:30. Then 9:30. 7, 8, 10, 11. Then 9:30. Sorry. 9:30. This way you can show 9:30 between this. Then 12:30. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11. 12:30. Draw it fast. So first is 6:30. We have shown here 6:30. Then 4:30, that is 4:30. 4:30. Then 9:30. 9:30. And then 12:30. Draw it fast. Finish drawing. Now see, next Now see your next reading. Right? Harjit is playing. The hour hand is just after 5. The minute hand is at 3. So the time is hour after 5 o'clock. We say that it is quarter past 5 or 5:15. We write 5:15 as 5:15. Now you can see here. See here. Now this is small hand is here on 5 and big hand is near 3. So if this big hand will be here, if this big hand, if it is here, what we will call 5 o'clock. But this big hand is near 3. So here we will call 5:15. Okay? Quarter past 5. Now see here. Write the time on the clocks in 2 different ways as shown. Quarter past 3, that is 3:15. Now you will write here quarter past 7. That is 7:15. You can see here it is small hand is on 7 and big is on 3. So it is quarter past 7. Then quarter past 10. That is 10:15. Then quarter past 1. 1:15. Okay, write down this fast. Quarter past 3, that is 3:15. Quarter past 7, that is 7:15. Then quarter past 10, that is 10:15. And quarter past 1, that is 1:15. Okay, draw first, write first. Okay, today what we started? We started lesson number 6, that is time. Okay, and time, how we saw the time, half an hour, then quarter to past 5, quarter to 15, that is 5:15. In this way we studied today time. So those exercises, first and second exercise we completed, third exercise we completed only question 1. In next period we shall see from exercise 3, question 2 in next period. So whatever is finished, just go through it. Thank you.